So how can you pause the iPhone location? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are more angles or ways you can pause it, but the first way is to check out the settings page where you go to the privacy and security, and in there you have the location services, right? So you can turn it off completely so your phone will not be able to use it. Or it's much better to just stop it or pause it for a specific application. For example, you might be sharing your location through WhatsApp or, I don't know, like social media app or Find My. These all can be found in here. And when you limit the using of your location for those apps, it will be paused for all of these services, including sharing and all of the other things in here. So you might want to just set it up the way that you prefer, of course, and you can then use your phone without worries. On the other hand, you can also just pause your location at specific sharing services. Like, as I mentioned, in the Find My, you have the ability to share location with someone else. And you can obviously just stop that when you go to the people section at the bottom and manage the people you are sharing your location with. Same thing with other services, right? You can also just stop sharing over a text message or, anywhere else. You can just stop doing that at that particular app. So I hope it all makes sense. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.